It's important to keep your software up to date by installing the latest updates available. These updates can contain new legislation, as well as software improvements and fixes. You can use automatic updates to check for available updates and download and install them automatically. When there's a new version of Sage 50 Payroll available, a message appears in your software, prompting you to download a software update. To do this straight away, click Download Now. If you want to download it later, click Cancel, and when you're ready to install, click Help, then check for updates. To continue, click Download Now. A progress bar appears as the update downloads. This can take a few minutes, and when it's finished, you're prompted to install the update. Before installing, make sure that you close any other software that's open, including other Sage software. Then, to continue, click Install Now. If you don't already have a backup of your data, to take one now, click Yes, and complete the backup wizard. As we already have a backup, we'll click No. Sage 50 Payroll closes, and the installation begins. To install the update, simply follow the steps on screen. It takes a few minutes to install, depending on how fast your computer is, so for the purposes of this video, we've speeded up the process. When it's finished, a confirmation message appears. To close the message, click OK. You've now successfully installed the update.